Are you getting Roku error 005? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your network connection. Roku error code 005 is a common issue that can occur when trying to update the software on your Roku device. To resolve this, the first thing you can do is check your internet connection. Ensure that your Roku device is connected to the Connect wireless network. Verify that your router is working properly and that other devices can access the internet without issues. Method 2. Check your internet connection strength. Check the strength of your wireless signal. If it is weak, move your Roku closer to the router or improve the signal strength. Ensure that there are no obstacles between the Roku and the router. Method 3. Restart your Roku. Unplug the Roku from the power source. Wait for about a minute. Plug the Roku back in and restart it. Method 4. Restart your router. Switch off your router. Unplug all cables from the router. Wait for about a few minutes. Plug the cables back in and switch on the router. Method 5. Check for software updates. The next thing you can do is update the software. Go to Settings, then go to System, and then select Software Update. Check if there are any new updates available. If there are, follow the on-screen instructions to update the software. Method 6. Contact Roku support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a more advanced problem. Contact Roku support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Roku error code 005 and continue enjoying your streaming experience. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku error 005. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.